permanently.
Yeah.
Before we leave, before we die,
Yeah.
can we leave some transformational impact so that our future generation they should have better time?
That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. That is a great purpose of the life.
And what I feel that many may not understand, like in people like you and me, we must throw our weight for the betterment because there will be a number of the irrational people, those who would like to exploit the situation for their advantage, and and they are not bothered about the common public. They are just being treated as a voters, and they intend to buy their votes without providing them any benefit.
Yeah.
I really sometimes feel very pity about them. But I feel they have been treated like a creature. uh, They are being treated like a creature who is having no human values. With a lot of freebies, and they have encouraged the consumption of the liquor. And with the freebies, these burger, though we claim we are having the largest young population of the world, but it is an incapable population which cannot even do a hard work of a day. So if a laborer cannot do the hard work, it is very unfortunate for the country.
Yeah.
But really, these politicians are not bothered for these things. They are not the right kind of the people. They are not literate people. They are not. I mean, they are the ruffians basically. All political parties they prefer, उसको हम कहते हैं कि बाहुबली, धनबली और अपराधियों को ही ये वरीयता देते हैं और अपराध करके जीतते हैं. They do not have the thinking capacity to do anything good for the country. I don't know how much you agree with me.
Yeah. I totally agree with you. So, the real capable people are behind the screen, or maybe they are not getting an access, or maybe probably
They have
not
also become
coming, or
people.
maybe worried to come in the front, probably, or they may hate this present system, political systems, or I don't know.
Many of us, those who are having the constitutional responsibility to discharge, we want to enjoy the fruits by licking their boots. Many of them they are more interested in getting a good posting. They are more interested to get a good posting, and they are ready to lick boots. That is very unfortunate for the country. And whom to depend? The politicians are not good, bureaucrats are not good, judicial system is not good. Patrakar, they have become the Godi Patrakar. Now $1 million question, to whom we can rely and who will be doing this transformation. So, Mansoor, I am of the view, now this transformation will come from the awakening of the common mass. Because everybody else is minting money in the present system, and they are not as sad as they should be, and they do not have any transformational intention.
Okay.
Right? I think with this, I think we should close our conversation. And once again, I am having really very fond memories of Dubai. And we will certainly would like to visit there. And once again, have a gala time with you people. And that period can be utilized for further discussion. How in our individual capacity we can really do something, whatever is little doable at our end.
Okay, sure, sure. Looking forward to it, sir.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye.